Today I'm going to show you how to transform this pochette, the Toilette 26, in a bag like this. So let's get into it. Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm very excited to be back in this new video where I'm going to show you how to transform this toiletry pouch 26, pochette de toilette 26, in a trendy bag. So if you like luxury products, everything like this related to luxury, stay on this video because you're gonna love it. If you don't know me yet, I'm Margot. I'm French and I live in Barcelona, so welcome on this channel. If you like luxury bags, luxury products, luxury services, and everything related to it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. I'll be very glad to welcome you in this big new YouTube channel family. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you how to transform this little baby in a bag. So this is the toiletry pouch 26. This is size 26. It does exist in size 18, I think, yes. But Louis Vuitton stopped producing it. So I'm sorry, ladies and boys. You will not be able to find it in store anymore. But the second hand is still here. So you can buy it like in second hand or second hand brand new. And also Louis Vuitton is releasing, like at the moment, I think it's only in the US. I don't think we just received it in France yet. But anyway, they are releasing like toiletry pouch, but with chain. So it's gonna be like what I'm going to show you, but more expensive, of course. So I'm gonna just explain a bit. This is a video I wanted to film like ages ago. So I've done it for my French YouTube channel and now I'm doing it for my English YouTube channel, so I'm very happy. Sorry again in advance for my accent. I'm not fluent, but I try to improve my English, so be nice with me please. And if you have anything to say, anything to ask, just do it in the comments. I'll be very happy to reply to you. And also you can message me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram just here. I'm gonna start with something I've got asked a lot. How do I put a chain or a strap on this baby? Originally, you can't. This is not possible. But thanks to this insert, I'm gonna show you because it's well... I put it in well, like... Yeah, okay. So thanks to this insert here, you have two little things here where you can attach any strap you want. So this is pretty amazing. This is not complicated to find or to buy. You have lots of pockets inside, so this is really nice because the toiletry pouch is normally a toiletry pouch, so there is like no pockets inside. And yeah, this is pretty nice. Oh, I see I have a code here. Yeah. It was made week 50, year 21. Really nice. It's all brand new. So it's not very expensive. I think I bought it like maximum 20 euros, I think, something. So it's pretty nice, and it comes with a chain also where you can attach it. So I'm gonna show you next. This one is a small chain, so this is not the big chain sometimes you can see. You can buy it also like on many websites. But I'm gonna show you. So this is a beige insert. You can find also, I think, a red insert. I think there are like many colors you can choose. You have a big pocket here, so this is very useful. And also two on this part and two little ones here. So this is very useful because I can put all my stuff inside and in the pocket, so this is very useful. And it comes with two little things here where you can attach a strap. So this is amazing. So let's get into it. We're gonna put like the insert into the pochette. Yep. And the nice thing about it is that it helps the toiletry pochette to have a good form, you know? Like it's perfect, you know? It's very perfect and she holds itself in place, so this is really nice actually, not to have like, so this is perfect. And we're gonna first attach the chain which comes with it when you buy it. So this is a little gold chain, very classical, so you can attach I'm gonna do it by the external part. You're gonna see why I'm doing this. I'm gonna explain a bit later. And oopla. And I'm also, yeah, perfect. So I did this by external side because this way I can close the not the multi-pochette. I can close the pochette, so it's way easier. So now I have a bag Ta-da! This is amazing. I'm so freaking happy. You could also add like a big chain here. You could add so many straps on it. As long as you have a little insert, this is perfect. You can add anything you want. So this is how it looks like. This is just perfect. I'm gonna put here like a little video where I wear it with a look, this look actually, as this way you can see it more like worn. I love it. This is really cool. This is like a party style with the chain, so I kind of like it actually. And now, so this is the first chain, the first strap you can put. This is sold with the insert, so it's like, it comes with it. And also something fantastic about it is that if you have any other Louis Vuitton bag or any other brand, you can add like other strap from your other bags. So this is fantastic. I don't know if you ever thought about it, but I'm gonna show you. This strap comes from the Vanity PM bag. And so this is like a gold chain strap with black leather strap. So this is very fancy also. It's very like partying vibe, but very chic. I love it. I'm gonna show you straight away. This is actually really nice that you can just change strap and use the strap you have on other bag. Actually, you could like use every strap for every kind of bag. This is something we don't usually do, but we can. So this is nice. So this is how it looks with this little chain, with this strap. And this looks very fancy too. Like this is very chic. This is so French. So I love it. I'm gonna put like a little video here too, so you can see how it looks like. And I love it. So this is the chain, the strap from the Vanity PM. This is a bag I really like. If you don't know this bag, you could go see it on the website because it's very handsome, like really, really, really. It's very chic and it's a vanity bag. It's a vanity, but in a bag. So it's cool and it's monogram and reverse. It looks fantastic. I'm gonna go for the other strap. This is the strap of the Métis pochette, the Métis bag. So it's the monogram. It's a monogram strap, so it's like very casual one. I'm gonna put this also, and as you can see, like it looks like, because I really love it too. I'm so happy because usually I was not really wearing my toiletry pouch because, you know, it's no strap, so it was a bit annoying, but now I can wear it like a lot, so I'm so freaking happy. So this is how it looks. I'm so happy because it looks very good. So this is the strap. I'm gonna put this on the other side actually, yeah. So I have to do it this way and this way and this way. Yeah, this is the monogram strap, so it goes perfectly with the bag. It looks like it was made for it. So this is perfect. You can see how it looks like worn with a cool look. And yes, actually, this is pretty nice. This one is more like an everyday style, I think. So I might go to Paris with it, actually. I usually take small bags, like a big bag for travel, but after I take a small bag because it's more easy. It's easier in Paris to wear small bags. So in the end, I'm gonna show you this one. It's gonna look like more sporty. So this is the strap of a multi-pochette. I'm sure you've heard of it because it was like super trendy bag in 2020, 2021. So I'm gonna just attach it. You could also remove this part, but I choose like to let this because it's like very, very stylish, very sporty. You can also change the size of the strap. So this is really nice as this one. You can. So this is really nice because this strap gave like a more sporty vibe to this toiletry pouch. So it was initially a toiletry pouch, but now it is like a cool bag. So it might be like a trendy bag. So I will try to find a photo of a new toiletry pouch with the chain and with the strap. But it kind of looked like very good too, but very expensive. So if you want like the same bag but less expensive, you can still buy the toiletry pouch 26 and add a strap in it with the insert. So this is amazing. I don't know what you think about I think some people think that this is like not really nice because this is not the original bag of Louis Vuitton, but still this is like, but personally I think this is kind of nice. I have like different type of Louis Vuitton bag and other brands, and I still think this is very cool to change and to use like every type of accessories you have in different ways. So I think it gives a special look to these accessories. And yes, this is different because you won't look exactly the same as everyone else. So this is actually perfect. I don't know what are your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment this video. I'll be very happy to read you. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will be able to do the same. I hope in the meantime, I'm very grateful for you to watch my channel, like very, very grateful. I'm sorry for my accent again. If you like my content, so don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and to click on the notification bell below the video to be notified each time I release a video. And yes, I'm gonna say to you like bye-bye, bisous, and I'll see you in just 2 seconds because just after this video, you have other videos to watch. I just made you a selection of 2 videos, so see you in a few seconds. Bye bye, bisous.